Hey guys, we're live just as the clock turned from 11:33 to 11:34, as you can see, and we're battling for Wayne's Top Toys Stormtrooper. There he is. Check out that guy. I got 150 spots. Then I'm going to take on over to random. God damn it. Excuse me. Then I'm going to take on over to random in just a moment. Copy. Paste them in here. You can see there's 150 of them, which is great. I'm going to roll the dice here in just a moment once I come to the top of the list to see how many rounds we're going to go to find this bad boy a new home. We're not going 2. We're going more than that. We'll go 5. We're just in under the wire here. Good luck, guys. Jay takes round 1. Michael 2. Sam takes round 3. Mike in the top spot for our next to last round, round 4, bringing us to the final round. Good luck, guys and gals, perhaps. Here we go, and our winner is Todd Callahan, in at number 113. Congrats, Todd. Here's our verification code, all the way down here at the bottom of our list. GEJUOY. GJOY. Todd Callahan, 113. God bless America. I'm done at 11:35. There it is. Again, here's the winner, Todd, 113. Congrats. See you next time, guys. Thanks.